Good day, good day, good day. Welcome back to Apostle 1 tutorials. Yes, it is good that you find yourself here. Yes, we are coming to look at this question. But before then, make sure you tap on the subscribe button. If today is the first time you are coming here, tap on the subscribe button. Yes, then you tap on the like. Look at the like over there. Yeah, like it for me. Yeah, very good. And then after you share to anybody you think it will be beneficial to those in HHS, and then JHS, and then even the university student. Yes, your children will also be beneficial to this one. Now, let's look at this question. Now, looking at this question, we have log n base 4 all squared. Now, equal to log n base 2 multiplying, this dot means multiplication, multiplying log n base m, and then we have to find the m. The m is here. This question is on the logarithms. We have to apply any law of logarithm and other properties of logarithm you know, including indices. Yes. Now, how are you going to solve this one? We have log n, log n, log n. The bases are different. So the best way we can solve this one is by changing the base. Now, how do we change base? If I have log a base b and I want to change the base to a, I can make it 1 divided by log, then I will interchange these variables. So the b will come here, the a will come here. This is the simplest way we can change the base. You see, I'll teach this index logarithm as a full topic on its own. But we know this one in this particular question. Yes. So watch out for more videos on detailed questions on logarithm. Now, let's move on. So this is the simplest way we can change. Another way is if I have log m base n, and if I want to change the base to m, then I can make it log of, then I will interchange the base. So here will be n, here will be what? M. We can interchange the base to any other number or any other variable. Yes. But per our question, this is what we need. Now, so I can start by interchanging the base. I want to change all the bases to base n. So from here, let's start with the first one. 1 over, so let me change the base here. So we're going to have log 4, then the base will now be n, all squared. 1 over, then I'll finish changing the base. Now, looking at this one, I'm going to change the base to n. So which means to be 1 divided by log 2 base n. Now multiplying 1 divided by, let me change the base of this one too. So we're going to get log m base n. I hope it's very simple. Yes. Now from here, let me write this one in the form of an index. So I'm going to get 1 over log 2. This 4 is the same as 2 exponent 2 base n. All having exponents of 2. Log m base n. Now at this point, the reason why I change this one is I want to change this one is that I have log 2 here, so I can see I can have another log 2 here. So how do we change this one? From our one of the properties of indices, a logarithm, if I have log a having an exponent of n, the base is 10, it says that I can bring the exponent at the back of the log, which will give us n log a. And the same way, when we have something like this, you can bring the n as the exponent of the a. Yes, so it means that looking at this exponent 2, I can bring this exponent 2 at the back of the log, which will give us 2 log 2 base n. Yes. Now, so let's move on. We're going to have 1 over, so this one will be at the back of the log, which will give it 2 log 2 base n, all exponent 2 equal to 1 over, we are maintaining this one, just looking for a simple way we can solve this one. Now I have log 2 base n here, another log 2 base n here. Now, so to make this thing simple, I can do a representation substitution. I'm going to use a variable to represent log 2 base n. So let's say, let's log 2 base n be equal to y. It means that wherever that I see log 2 base n, I'm going to put y there. So I can see log 2 base n here. I'm going to put the log 2 base n here, which is y. So this one gives us 2y. Then I'll put log 2 base n here, which is y. Yeah, so it gives us 1 over log 2y. So proceeding this one, it will give us 1 over 2 log 2 base n. Log 2 base n is y, so 2y all squared equal to 1 over log 2 base n. Log 2 base n is y, so we're going to give us 1 over y, so put a y here. Now multiplying 1 over log m base n, so we have log m base n. We can't change this one. Now at this point, let's apply our indices. If I have m over n all squared, something square, it means the square is affecting the numerator, which is m squared. The square is affecting the denominator, which is n squared. The same applies to this one. It means that the square will affect the 1. 1 square is 1. Divided by the square will affect 2n. And when it affects the 2n, it means that it's affecting the 2 and it's affecting the y. Now 2 square will give us 4. So 4 times y will give us 4y squared. So it means that the square affects the 1. 1 square is 1 divided by the square affects the 2y, which will give us 4y squared equal to, now we can multiply this and this. 1 times 1 will give us 1. Y times log m base n will give us y log m base n. Now at this point, if I have 1 over 4y squared equal to 1 over y log m base n, it means that 4y squared is the same as y log m base n. Or you do cross multiplication, simple way. So this one will multiply this. So 1 times y log base m, this one is cross multiplication. So this 1 times the 1, this 1 times the 1. Now y, this one multiplying 1 will give us the same thing. Then 4y squared times 1 will still give us 4y squared. You see, it's very simple. Make sure you like the video. Gradually, we will get a value for m. It's very simple. Now, at this point, we have y here, y here. Let me divide through by y. So y will cancel y. I'm going to get log m base n equal to, the y will cancel y. Y will cancel one of the y's. You see, when we are dividing, we have to subtract the exponent. So 2 minus 1 will give us 1. So this one gives us 4y. Because y will cancel one of the y. Now at this point, the variables are different and we are looking for m. So what I can do here is by doing another substitution. From here, we said that the y is the same as log 2 base n. So I can do substitution. So, but the y is the same as log 2 base n. So let's put it there back. So I'm going to get log m base n is equal to 4 times y. What is y? Y is log 2 base n. Gradually, we are going to get the answer very soon. Now, at this point, back to our one property. We said that when we have log a exponent n, we can bring the n at the back of the log, which is the same as log n log a. The same way, when it's at the back of the log, just like this one, we can bring the n as an exponent of the a to get this one. So this and this here, they say when it is like this, you can change to this. When it is like this too, you can change to this. Yes. Now this one looks like this one. So which means that we can bring the n, which is the 4, as an exponent of the 2. Yes, very simple, for it to look like this. So it means that bring the 4 as an exponent of the 2. So I'm going to get log m base n is equal to 2 exponent 4 all base what? N. So we have brought this one as an exponent of the 2. Now at this point we have log n, this log n and this log n, they have the same base. Now since they have the same base, we can multiply through by the inverse of log n base log. We can multiply through by the inverse of log base n, or we take the antilog of log base n to both sides. It means that we are removing log of base n. So since they are the same, log of base n will cancel log of base n. This and this will cancel. So I'm going to get m equal to 2 exponent 4. That is when we take the antilog of log n to both sides of the equation, or we are removing the logs. We can only remove the logs if the bases are the same. So log base n, log base n. This and this will cancel. So it means that m is equal to 2 exponent 4. Now 2 exponent 4 will give us 16. So it means that therefore the final answer for m is 2 exponent 4, which will give us 16. Thank you very much. And then this is the end of the question. The answer to m is 16. I hope it is very simple. Yes. Make sure you subscribe to the channel and then you share. Tap on the like button. See you another time for more videos. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.